In today's video, we're fighting grout stains and showerhead pressure problems with the Wagner Steam Machine Elite. By the end of this video, you'll see if it truly is elite. As you can see, our home's tile is pretty gross. We clean with the steam mop, which does a great job cleaning the tile, but it drags dirty water into the lower laying grout lines and dirt fills in the lines and looks gross. For years, I've tried a variety of methods to clean the grout lines, but each time I give up due to the effort required. After finding out what a professional charges to clean grout, I knew that wasn't something I was going to be okay with. Next, I looked into the cost of buying one of their commercial cleaners and realized that didn't make sense for something I was only going to use maybe 2 times a year. Time passed until one day my wife got fed up and ordered something she had been researching, a Wagner 925e Steam Machine Elite, a product her sister raved about. Playing with it in person I was skeptical, but as you're about to see, I was wrong. This thing does a great job cleaning grout with just water. The Wagner Steam Machine Elite is easy to use. Simply open the cap, add 40 ounces or 5 cups of water, plug into the wall, and wait about 10 minutes. For grout, make sure the metal head is on and have a towel you are okay with getting dirty. It will be used to soak up the dirty water that comes from the grout. Move the head back and forth while applying a little pressure to the tip to dig into the grout and kick up the grind. When sufficiently clean, move the towel over the cleaned area to soak up the nasty residue. If my floors weren't so bad, I could probably move fast, but instead decided to focus on quality over quantity. To do my 2,500 square feet of tile, it took about 2 hours. I'm guessing that when I do this again in 6 months, I could probably do it in half the time as it won't be nearly as dirty. Here's a hallway before and after pictures. The images speak for themselves. The Wagner Steam Machine also claims to clean out shower heads from scale buildup. We're going to see if that is true. Upstairs, we have a shower head that has poor pressure, likely from scale buildup in the orifices. To clean shower heads, change to the plastic brush tip, turn on the unit, and move the head around each hole for a few seconds. And here is video of cleaning the shower head, and here is the new and improved water pressure coming out of the cleaned shower head. As you can see, this powerful little steam machine gets the job done. I've added a link to the description section below from Amazon. Of the 7 or so websites I checked out, Amazon had the best price and of course the quickest delivery, so if you're interested in getting one, that link will take you directly to the product page. If you end up getting one, I'd love to hear how it worked out for you. Drop a comment below and let others know if you had as good of results as we did. As mentioned earlier, we've linked all the items in the video description below, which by the way, if you click on one of those links and buy something, shortly after I might get a small kickback at no cost to you. Also, there's a way to help small creators like myself via the super thanks button below the video. And lastly, it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask you to hit the subscribe button. At least my pleading was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through that before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time.